So you might be trying to figure out within your iPhone, you might have an iPhone with a black screen that's just not turning on no matter what you're doing, but you can still see maybe it's on or maybe it's still working. You can maybe hear some sounds, maybe the buttons are still working, but it just has a black screen. The first thing I'd recommend doing, because this sometimes happens to me, sometimes your screen is on, but the brightness is all the way down. So what I'd recommend doing is if you're able to go into an area that actually has like a very low amount of brightness, or hover your screen like your phone over the screen like this to kind of see if you can see the display. If you're able to tell that the screen is on but it's very very dim, I'd recommend just going through and following these ways of kind of turning down the brightness. I sometimes have to do this. I have to like scroll down from the top right corner right up here, or do my best to scroll it down, and I have to estimate where that brightness toggle is, and I have to sometimes increase it or decrease it higher to make it, show my brightness. It's a really weird, but sometimes my iPhone screen gets very, very dim, and I just have to do that, and my screen was actually on, but it was just very low brightness, and I couldn't even tell, and usually it's when I'm in direct sun. Now, what you can also do is you can try doing it via the, screen, just kind of, restarting your phone. So you can do this by quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, volume down button, and then pressing and holding the side button. So volume up, volume down, pressing and holding the side button until it fully shuts off by itself. It's going to restart, and when you see the Apple logo, you want to basically let go of the iPhone. So when you see that Apple logo come up, you just want to let go of that power button, and then it'll officially restart, and then you probably will be able to see that your iPhone is fully working then. So those are kind of the main things I'd recommend doing. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.